Okay, my brother-in-law that stays in Japan sent my daughter all kinds of things from Japan. Let's see what we got. What is this, Kai? This is
I have no idea.
pack.
I gotta speak Japanese.
That's
But,
some kind of chips and candy, and
it's
there's a whole
I
candy
think
chip
it's
pack.
a mix. Yeah, it's a mix of like chicken.
This is potato chips.
Potato chips.
Oh wow, it looks like it could be sour cream, huh?
Probably.
What's that? Show the camera.
Oh, they got chocolate.
Look at the chocolate, y'all.
Whoa.
From Japan.
I'm John one all over, see?
Oh my god.
What is this? Oh, wow.
He stays in Japan. He's been staying in Japan, you guys, for forever. He's been in the service. Look, this is like fruit.
Oh, that's fruit.
It got pineapple, strawberry, grape.
It's so cute.
Okay, show the camera everything. I wanna show my YouTube people this. What is the word? This don't look like it's gonna be too
It
good.
looks like it could be chocolate, but probably like I don't know. I wish I knew that.
What is this?
You can download it, translate it.
Whatever it is, this is
Whoa.
this is like grape.
What is this? Is this?
I don't know. Let's see.
Is that candy or gum?
Black.
This is so
low
cute.
tea.
Like I don't want to. You got vents.
Oh my god, let me see.
Look, cuteness of it. Oh my god.
Wow, that's cool. Uncle, you should have been ex Uncle John to sing you some Japanese candy.
I just want
this tea. He said it was for some tea. This is tea, you guys. Japanese tea.
Green tea. So good.
Green tea. Yeah, he said he was sending it.
Yeah, a lot of cute
What is
stuff.
this?
Oh, look how cute it is.
It's like a little
beef jerky stick.
A beef jerky. It's so small. What is this? Ain't we had one like this before?
What? No. Well, it looks.
So I guess a Lodi means candy.
It's great.
And this is
This is tight. Look at all that stuff. And we got these.
what is this? This seems so. Ugh, I don't think I'm gonna try this. What's it?
I'm trying all of it because let's try all of it. It smells good. This is soda flavored.
Yeah, it do smell good. Whatever it is, huh? So y'all, this is all the stuff my brother-in-law, my husband's brother that stay in Japan, sent my daughter candy, chips. Look, are they beef jerky?
That's insane.
Like, that is weird. What is this? This like a...
Probably don't taste like
this like one of them, what you call that? Not them flat fruit roll-ups.
This is not candy, man. I don't think that's candy.
I think it is.
It's like some type of chip.
He said he was sending more. I know it's not a chip.
But it has
now this is like peanuts, I guess.
Probably not. I don't know what this is.
This is so cool. This is so cool, Uncle John. Thank you for sending Kaya this. It's like a whole value pack or something.
Yeah.
It say it's a whatever pack. They got fried whatever in there. Open up the pack so we can see.
Wait.
No, she don't want to open it, you guys. So I just wanted to show y'all her Japanese box that Uncle John sent her from Japan. Okay, you guys, I hope y'all been blessed. See you guys later.